Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 5 Nights at Freddy's on the piano. We'll begin by exploring the iconic main theme, which is a fantastic starting point for any aspiring pianist. Don't worry if you're new to the keyboard, we'll take it step by step. Our goal is to make learning this spooky tune both fun and accessible, helping you master the basics with confidence and ease. Let's dive right in and get those fingers moving. Now, let's break down the main theme's melody and accompanying chords. The primary key is typically a minor, giving it that signature eerie feel. For your right hand, focus on playing the single notes of the melody clearly and precisely. Then, for your left hand, we'll introduce basic chords such as a minor and E major. These two chords provide a solid harmonic foundation, making the piece sound full and authentic. Practice each hand separately before combining them for a smoother performance. Once you have the notes down, it's time to focus on rhythm and dynamics to truly bring the piece to life. The main theme often features a slow, deliberate tempo, so practice with a metronome set to a comfortable pace. This helps ensure your timing is precise. Experiment with dynamics, playing some sections softly to create suspense and others louder for dramatic effect. These subtle changes will add significant depth and feeling to your performance, making it much more engaging for your listeners. To truly master this piece, consistent practice is key. Aim for short, focused sessions of 15 to 20 minutes each day rather than one long, infrequent session. If you encounter a challenging section, break it down and practice it slowly until it feels comfortable. As you gain confidence, consider exploring other 5 Nights at Freddy's songs to expand your repertoire. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends on your musical journey. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.